Hey guys, are you finding difficulties in learning programming languages? Getting confused to understand the flow of logic? Tired of mugging up lengthy programs? Then here is the solution. Hello everyone, I am Yashoda from Mysuru. I welcome you all to my channel Logic Flow. You might have seen many channels and you might have been subscribed to many channels to learn programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python and some applications like Word, Excel and PowerPoint. But then, why to subscribe to my channel? Then there must be something different about my channel. So let me tell something about my channel. Hey, not something, but some uniqueness about my channel. In my channel, you can find contents on programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python and some applications like Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Any beginner who don't know anything about the programming languages, about the computer, can learn the programming languages very easily and quickly. You can understand the analysis of the program and the flow of the logic of the program, which is very difficult for everyone to understand. That is, the logic of the program will be dealt very easily. The most important thing, the communication. So in my channel, I will be using very simple English to make you understand the programming language, the logic of the program in a very simple English. You can see and understand the dry run of the program and the actual execution of the program with output. So this is all about my channel. Hope you have understood the uniqueness about my channel Logic Flow. So please do support and subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment on the videos. And click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the videos. Thank you.